In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data validation drop-down list using Excel VBA. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to create the drop-down list. Make sure you're working in the correct file before you begin, since the VBA code will be added directly to that workbook. Next, open the Visual Basic editor by pressing Alt and F11 on your keyboard. This will take you into the VBA environment where you can write and manage macros for your Excel file. Once the editor is open, go to the Project Explorer and select your workbook. After that, click Insert in the top menu, then choose Module. This creates a brand new standard module and a blank code window should appear. That's where you'll place the VBA procedure. Now create the VBA procedure by copying the code shown in the tutorial and pasting it into the new module. If needed, pause the video here so you can clearly view and enter the code exactly as shown. It's important to copy the syntax carefully because even a small typo can prevent the macro from running properly. After the code is in place, you can customize the target cell. If you want the drop-down list to appear somewhere other than cell A1, simply replace A1 in the code with the cell reference you want to use. This gives you flexibility to place the validation list exactly where it's needed in your worksheet. You can also change the list items. In the code, the sample values are yes, no, and maybe. If those options don't fit your use case, replace that comma-separated list with your own items. Just keep the same format so Excel can interpret the values correctly as a drop-down list. When everything looks good, run the macro by pressing F5. This tells Excel to execute the VBA procedure and apply the data validation settings you just created. Then return to the worksheet by pressing Alt and F11 again. Click on cell A1 or whichever cell you selected in the code. You should now see a drop-down arrow in that cell. When you click it, the list options should appear, allowing you to select from the values you entered, such as yes, no, or maybe. And that's it. You've successfully used Excel VBA to add a data validation drop-down list. This is a simple but powerful way to make worksheets easier to use and more consistent, especially when you want to limit input to specific choices.